Yeah. He heard something. Maybe my elbow in the head and latching up. Just
I'm coming up here. I'm too short.
still see it. It's moving around, so. I just thought about it up here. Hopefully. Okay, about 10:25 Central Standard Time. My wife called me out here to see UFO. I had my doubts with this thing. It's really changing colors and moving around a lot. And at the time, to the looking straight ahead north to the east of us was a huge white star, like northern star, maybe a planet or something. It was really bright. And I told her to get the camera, come back down, and the freaking star's gone. I mean, like it's nowhere to be seen in the sky. I looked all over, and that's crazy. I mean, how does the stars disappear? Right? So I don't know if this camera's even going to pick this thing up, but definitely there. Star. How does a star that bright and that low just disappear? I mean, that's kind of hard to explain that one away. Right there. Right there. That's it. I see on the camera the white speck, but what I'm seeing is it's really changing color from red and white. Maybe green, I can't tell, but red and white. Moving up. Stars not doing that. It just moves left. Oh, not zoom in. It's a red dot. Let's see if it is on here. I'll zoom in as far as this camera goes. Yeah, it's not high quality. It's just enough to take pictures and stuff. The thing that really gets me is this star's movement of this light. This object's movement. And the thing that really gets me is there was a big, bright white star, or like a planet, just like a northern, just extremely white, to the right of this thing. Well, I went down there and looked at a company with the camera. I go back down. I said to my wife, "Where did that star go?" She's like, "I don't know." Good question. Well, what is it? You know what gets me is that big white star, baby.
Yeah,
It just disappeared. How does a star that bright, that low in the sky disappear? You know what I'm saying? What was that? Because I noticed it was just, it was bright. It was
I
very,
thought it was the North Star.
I did too. It was very low. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It was really, really low. I've got this thing zoomed in. All it picks up is a red thing. I think it's like an artifact or something. When I zoom out, it kind of picks this star up. I mean, really can't tell what it's doing.
That is so weird.
Describe to me what you first saw when you was out there snorkeling.
Well, I saw, right above the trees.
Right.
I didn't think nothing about it at first, and I glanced back, and it had shifted where it was beginning. So I'm like, wait a minute. And I sat there and watched it.
You would have really never noticed if you wasn't just looking up.
Right.
You know. The thing's still moving around because it was higher than that.
Yeah, I mean, I see.
A while ago.
I can barely see it now. And I see it flickering move. I see it moving. And now I don't see it anymore.
Huh? Yeah. I see it.
Okay. It must have dropped.